sensibility, and practicality define the 2018 Honda HR-V.
Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, rear wipers, and remote keyless entry. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Come on in and take a test drive.